If you are watching this at 3 a.m. with one eye open, I see you. Newborns have no concept of day or night. They sleep in short bursts and party at midnight. Today, we are going to set their internal clock and discuss the critical safety rules to prevent SIDS, Sudden Infant Death Syndrome. Segment 1. Fixing day/night confusion. In the womb, it was dark 24/7. Here is how to teach the difference. Daytime. Keep the curtains open. Let sunlight in. Do not whisper. Let normal household noises happen. Play with the baby after feeds. Nighttime. After sunset, dim the lights. Keep the house quiet. When they wake for a feed, keep it boring. No eye contact, no playing, low lights. They will eventually learn that night is for sleeping. Segment 2. Safe sleep. This is the most important safety segment of the series. To reduce the risk of SIDS, back to sleep. Always place the baby on their back, never on their stomach or side. Bare is best. No pillows, no heavy blankets, no crib bumpers, no stuffed animals. These are suffocation hazards. Use a sleep sack or wearable blanket instead. Firm surface. The mattress must be firm. If you press your hand on it and it leaves an indentation, it's too soft. Segment 3. The bedtime routine. Start a routine early, around 6 to 8 weeks. The 3 B's. Bath, book, bed. Swaddling. Keep swaddling until the baby shows signs of rolling over, usually around 3 to 4 months. It suppresses the startle reflex that wakes them up. Segment 4. Wake windows and overtiredness. A huge mistake parents make is keeping the baby awake during the day so they sleep better at night. False. An overtired baby produces cortisol, stress hormone, and finds it harder to fall asleep. A newborn can only stay awake for 45 to 60 minutes at a time. Watch for yawns and put them down immediately. Sleep is a journey. Be patient. Next up, the scary stuff. How do you know if your baby is seriously sick? Red flags.